experiencing FPS drops in PUBG can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to help reduce those drops and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Adjusting game settings. Lower your graphics settings in PUBG. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and effects. This can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications before launching the game. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are consuming resources. This frees up CPU and RAM for PUBG, improving overall performance. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. System updates can fix bugs and improve compatibility with games. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This setting allows your hardware to run at maximum capability, which can help reduce FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming.